National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Jefferson County in central Colorado, Boulder County in central Colorado, Gilpin County in central Colorado, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Boulder to near Black Hawk, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect line damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denver, Boulder, Golden, Broomfield, Westminster, Arvada, Wheat Ridge, Louisville, Superior, Black Hawk, Central City, and Nederland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.